Hi everyone, and welcome to our first video in our series on how to control and manage your Shopify website. Today we're going to be showing you how to get to the administrative backend of your Shopify store. So there's two ways to access the administrative backend of your store, and we're going to go over both of them today. So the first way is by going to your website name. In this case it's bluesoftdesign.myshopify.com, and then putting in /admin. So from here you have to put in your login email, and it'll ask you for your password, and occasionally you'll have to go through the CAPTCHA test. And when you see that check mark, click login. And once you log in, you'll be navigated to the home page tab of your Shopify backend. So now we'll show you the second way you can log in. We'll log out first. So you can also log into your store by going to shopify.com, and if we were to suggest a way to log in, we would suggest the first method because the second method sometimes needs an extra step. So if you log in by clicking login in the top right, it'll also ask you to put in your store address. So in this case, our store address is bluesoftdesign.myshopify.com, and then you'll log in with your email and password like before. And now that we're logged in, we're taken to the homepage tab of our Shopify backend. And that's how you log into the administrative backend for your Shopify website.